What's up, guys? Sean here from Srkcycles, picking my nose, and showing you guys some sweet bikes. Let me show you what we got going on right here. In the shop, we've got a lot of new stuff. We got some old stuff. I still got the Rune. I'm kind of just keeping it for myself, actually. Guys, I got a new announcement. You guys want to hear this? I will be selling the famous 117,000 plus thousand mile Road King, and it's gonna be crazy cheap. I do love this bike, but if you're wondering why I'm selling it, it's because of this fella right here. I just picked this up, and this is a baby. It has very low miles. It's a 2008 Road King, Screaming Eagle Road King with the 110. And you guys know, I mean, I used to like my high mileage Harleys, but you know what? Now I like my low mileage Harleys. Cause this one's got less than 100,000, 98,000 miles. So I'm pretty pumped about that, you know? It's got another like decade for me to be riding it. And I do plan on doing a video where I would like to do the Iron Butt Challenge on this bike while I roll over 100,000 miles. That sounds super fun. We got a Savage. We got another Kawasaki Vulcan Voyager. So it's a 2010. That's new for us. That's pretty cool. You guys have seen this. This is the Ultra Limited and the Ultra Classic Anniversary, and that guy. We got a V-Strom in, a little edgy, but hey, that's what V-Stroms are for. We got F3 Can-Am in, a bunch of those fellas. What else we got over here? Someone come and look at this one today. That's like the cleanest Kawasaki 900 I've ever seen for the Vulcan. This thing is the biggest piece of junk I've ever seen. Let me show you this. This thing has more like Home Depot hardware on it than like your house does. Like if I didn't meet the guy who put this together, but I want to punch him. Like, what is this nonsense? And it's all goofy. The whole it's just ridiculous. Oh, we mounted the seat on. That's cool. And then so this is how you start it. Put that down. Turn the key. And start the clutch. There you go. Some goofy nonsense like that. Let's just do a crappy little test drive on it right now. I'm gonna tell you guys how much I hate this bike. Oh wait, hold up. It's really tough with one hand. I mean, the Ruckus is fun to drive, but I hate what this guy did to this bike. He really kind of ruined it. It has very little value. But he put a Hoonigan sticker on it, and I guess that's cool. Always wear a helmet and proper gear when you ride a motorcycle. Now this is not an actual motorcycle, this is some type of child's toy. So you don't have to wear really anything. Let's go back in the shop. Nope. 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 There we go, all right. Let's see what else is going on. What's up, Caleb?
Yo!
What's going on, man?
Got mad crap to do.
Tons of stuff to do, huh? Like what?
You know, bringing up those sales, sending them the banks, all the fun.
Stuff that we all wish we could do. That's pretty cool. I'm showing everyone all the bikes.
Oh! Did you show them the potentially newest bike for sale?
I did.
Did you?
I did. I did. What kind of price tag we should put on it?
Get like $5,000.
You know what I was thinking?
Huh?
4,500 bucks.
Oh!
All right, guys. Oh yeah, so we stopped posting our YouTube videos, the walk-arounds. We put a link to them, so you have to watch them on our website. I didn't like the results of that, so we're changing it. And now we may have dumped like 50 walk-around videos right on the website. It's gonna be super epic. All right, guys, that wraps it up. We'll see you guys later.